Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.